ladies and gentlemen, old guy coming at you from Genus Motorsports. This is an Indian demo today, and as usual, I love the FTR and I want to take it out. This is the 2024 Indian FTR R Carbon. Gorgeous bike. It really is an absolutely gorgeous machine. I love it. It's just the design of the FTR, just perfect. Everything just like this is where it's supposed to be. This bike does claim out of this 1203cc V twin engine, this is 120 brake horsepower, 86 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. Obviously carbon fiber. It's just beautiful. Honestly, to me, it's just gorgeous. 320 millimeter disc, two of them Brembo, fully adjustable front suspension, fully adjustable rear. Yeah, you got the FTR's look hasn't really changed anything. You know, you got this extended piece coming off the swing arm for the license plate, and this claims a wet weight of about 518, 520 pounds, somewhere around there, and a seat height of 31.7 inches claimed. $17,249. I am 5 foot 9 inches tall. I weigh 225 pounds, and I am on the balls of my feet. This has a key. You are right on this exhaust section, though. Still got that wonderful FTR sound. You have an adjustable brake lever, non-adjustable clutch lever though. And a perfect rider position for me. This does not have a quick shifter. I kind of wish it did. I kind of think it needs one, to be honest. This little TFT display, I kind of like it, you know. Now, I do like having a big TFT on certain bikes, but this is, I've seen TFTs that were bigger than this that were harder to read. Everything just seems to, the layout of this, everything seems to be right, in my opinion. Anyway, you do have multiple layouts. You can toggle that, current ride, and then you got your nav. And then back to the screen. It's a temperature with speed and all that good jazz. It's a very, very comfortable motorcycle to ride. Very upright, you know, ergonomically. Your feet are just right below your butt, which is a very comfortable position for me. My knees kind of just fall the way they fall. I'm more of a sports bike rider in general, so I'm used to this position. So this kind of just falls right in line. It's very nice. So claiming a red line of 9,000 RPMs. The seat gets pretty buzzy around 4. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna rev the shit out of this engine. Because, I mean, this is 120 brake horsepower and it's 18 grand, basically. You know, it's not cheap. None of the bikes from Indian are really cheap. Even the new Scout's pretty expensive. That being said, the Scout 101 is really good. In my opinion, I really like the Scout 101. The button layout on this is really nice. The cruise control button right there, a little small, but Whew. Got a good pickup. I mean, obviously you have no wind protection. You have nothing. So you are taking the brunt of the wind hitting you in the chest, which is, I mean, it's what you expect from this style of motorcycle. Now, for this money, there's a lot more bikes you can buy. I mean, for 17 grand, $18,000, I'm not gonna lie, there are a lot of options. But this bike has a look to it that is very striking, and that look is just gonna kind of get you, when you first see it. And for me anyway, when I look at it, every time I see an FTR, it's like, wow, that's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. It does have self-canceling turn signals, which is good. As me and just about every other motorcycle rider out there, sometimes we forget and we run around with our turn signals. Now, I'm not wearing a jacket today because I'm really hot, and I had a doctor's appointment earlier, and yeah, I do not want to put a jacket on right now for some reason. I just feel like I'm boiling. It's not safe. You should always wear your gear, but no, fuck that. Do what you like. If you don't want to wear your gear, don't wear your gear. It's your business. I'm here to tell you what to do. What's the wrong channel for that? I'm not here to ridicule you, criticize you, none of it. Cruising now. Woo! Oh yeah, that's good. I want to get down into a tuck. About right here. Solid, comfy. Everything about this bike is comfortable. Everything. The seat, all of it. And it's got an amazing look and a great power plant. I mean, is it, for this money, you could buy, for this money, you could literally buy a superbike, without ABS. I believe you can get 1,000 for 16, 17 grand without ABS, which is my preferred method of superbike. I don't really care about ABS. I mean, my only complaint about this motorcycle is the fact that it doesn't have adjustable clutch lever. That's it. That's my only complaint. Everything else about this bike is amazing. Easy to handle. When you're running a footless stop, super easy. Very well balanced. It's like everything is in line, everything is exactly the way it's supposed to be. And you feel like you have a lot of room on the bike. Going into the lower RPMs, it still feels like it has power. Engine doesn't feel like it's lugging or anything else. I will say this though, it's hot. This is very, very warm. And the exhaust is right there, so that's what I'm feeling. It's more the exhaust that I'm feeling. It's just on my right leg. So, that's something to note. It really is. In the neutral, kickstand is behind the peg, so it's pretty far back there. Coming off, ladies and gentlemen. 2024 Indian FTR Carbon. Has this beautiful headlight, beautiful design. Everything just kind of flows with this bike. Super nice. Really is. Super nice. Whew. Sound check. Whew. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. Like I was mentioning in the video, your leg is right here, so you are feeling this heat coming off the exhaust on your leg. Other than that, this bike is super solid and wonderful to ride, and highly I can't really think of another bike that I'd rather, you know, ride in certain circumstances. I'm just saying, this bike is super nice to ride. It's really fun. I think I enjoyed obviously, of course, I enjoyed the Super Duke and all that, but the look of this bike, gorgeous. All right, everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.